In fast-moving markets, users need information that is easy to read and quick to understand. GoldPride Holdings supports this with a simple visual approach to price movement. The platform uses clear color coding to show asset value changes. A green shade signals an increase in asset value, while a red shade marks a decrease. This intuitive system helps users quickly recognize market shifts without needing to analyze every number manually. Real-time visibility can be especially useful when monitoring several assets at once. A clear visual structure helps users identify changing conditions and respond with greater awareness. GoldPride Holdings also adjusts display time according to the user's local time zone. This means market activity, platform updates, trading schedules, and contract-related timing are synchronized with the user's location. Accurate timing is important because global markets operate across different regions. Local time synchronization helps reduce confusion and gives users a more precise view of market activity.